How to knit the half brioche stitch, English style.
For this tutorial, you will need a pair of knitting needles and a ball of yarn. Special thanks to our sponsor, Southwest Trading Company, for providing today's yarn. Today we are using their 100% soy silk Purl line in the color Flint.
For this tutorial, you'll need to know the following techniques. Knit, knit one below, purl. To begin this stitch, you must cast on in multiples of 2 plus 1. Row 1, wrong side, purl. Row 2, begin by knitting 1. And we'll start our repeat by knitting 1 below and knitting 1. And we'll repeat this until the end of the row. Row 3, purl all stitches. Row 4, we're going to begin by knitting 1 below. Then we'll begin our repeat by knitting 1, knitting 1 below, and we'll repeat that until the end of the row. Repeat these 4 rows until you've reached your desired length. And that's how you knit the half brioche stitch.
After a few repeats, your pattern should look like this. Want more New Stitch A Day? Check out our website at newstitchaday.com.